Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zoho Forms. First, log into your Zoho Forms account or sign up for a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Look for the Create Form button, usually prominent on the screen. Clicking this will open a new window where you can begin building your form from scratch or choose a template. Selecting a template can save you a lot of time, especially for common use cases like contact forms or event registrations. Now let's dive into designing your form. Zoho Forms offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to easily add over 30 different field types, such as text boxes, drop-downs, and file uploads. You can customize each field's properties, including its label, placeholder text, and whether it's a mandatory entry. For a smarter form, use conditional logic to display or hide fields based on previous answers, creating a dynamic user experience. Once your form fields are in place, it's time to configure the settings. You can define submission limits, enable spam protection, and ensure data security with features like encryption. Setting up email notifications is crucial so you're alerted every time a new form is submitted. Zoho Forms also boasts powerful integrations with other Zoho applications like Zoho CRM and many third-party tools such as Google Sheets or MailChimp, streamlining your workflows. Finally, let's get your form out there. After reviewing your design and settings, you can publish your form. This action generates a unique public URL that you can share directly with your audience via email or social media platforms. Alternatively, you can obtain an embed code to seamlessly integrate the form into your website or blog, ensuring it matches your brand's look and feel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.